Good morning, this is Scott Smith from Central Valley HHO. Driving the Dodge truck Cummins that we've purchased about 5 years ago. This truck is a 2007 and a half, which is the first year of DPF. And when you talk to a lot of people about this truck, they say it's the worst truck you could ever buy due to the DPF technology. But the state of the video is I want to show you something. There's the mileage of this truck. We bought this truck when it had 84,000 miles on it. This truck has never had a problem with regeneration of the DPF, any check engine light, any issues at all with this truck. And everybody else I talked to of the 2007 and a half said they've had nothing but problems with this truck due to the DPF and emission technology. But what I want to show you here is we have a hydrogen system on here. And you can see as I step on the gas, we make a certain amount of hydrogen. You know, we know what we're doing here in the hydrogen industry, unlike anybody else. And again, I just keep proving it and proving it and proving it. So again, this is a big old truck. It's a dually. We've had it for about 5 years now. Drive it everywhere. And the fuel economy went from about 15.5 to about 19 miles to the gallon. The best we've seen is about 23. It all depends on how you drive it. But again, this is the miles that have been driven on this truck, and absolutely no issues with the engine at all. And the exhaust system stays clean. It never has a problem. It does regenerations about every 300 miles. When we first got the truck, before we put hydrogen on it, it would do regenerations every 100 miles. So you do the math on that, and fuel alone is huge, along with the fuel savings that we've been continuously getting with this truck. But again, I just wanted to do an update on this truck. It is on my YouTube channel, showing this thing in operation. And you can see we're just pulling in a parking lot here. So of course it does a low amount of hydrogen. But anyways, the state of the video is showing longevity and how awesome this truck has been. No check engine lights, no issues. All the people in the performance area and diesel truck forums can't believe the results we got with this truck. And again, they just tell me it's too good to be true. But anyways, this is Scott from Central Valley. Have a good day.